Hi there, Plant Girl here. So today I'm going to be busy shredding up a lot of the debris, old plant matter, sticks and twigs that I've cleared up out of my flower beds. Yesterday I spent the afternoon clearing out my flower beds, cleaning them up and getting them ready. So plants that were starting to push growth but had dead leaves on top, now the dead leaves are removed so they can grow and grow freely. I can get planting in those beds as soon as I'm ready to do that, and it just looks a lot nicer. So I've got a whole massive pile of things over here beside me to clean up and shred, as well as some stalks from sunflower plants and that I have over kind of by my back fence. So I'm going to be trying to get as much of that shredded up as I can, and the shredded material will either go in my compost or back on my garden beds. So that's my plan for this afternoon. So while I'm doing this noisy, dirty, messy work, I thought I'd show you a few clips of what my one flower bed looked like before I cleaned it out, and a little bit of me cleaning it out, and then what it looks like afterwards. So I hope you enjoy that. Wow, I worked this machine hard today. I took that whole pile of stuff that was over in the corner there, including the bucket full of evergreen cuttings. Got that all cleaned up. Got the plants that were still in the hanging baskets shredded down out of there. I have these 3 buckets. I don't know if you can see them here. These wheels have fallen off of this twice today, so it's not the sturdiest machine, but fix that later. But it does the job for this kind of job. So those 3 buckets, a little bit more in this bucket, and the black bucket by my compost is full too. All this pile. I had some that was piled up in there. Some old zinnias twigs from last year, they're all cleaned up. This bucket was full of evergreen trimmings, and now it's just shreddings. And all the sunflower stalks and jade millet stalks and whatever else I had back here that I cleaned up, it's all cleaned up as well, all shredded down. So I'm probably all dirty and dusty and messy from working with this all afternoon, but got a lot of work done, and I think I just kind of shredded it all, mixed it all together, put everything that was there through the shredder. So there's lots of plant seeds and different things like that are in there. So I think it's a really good mixture, especially with all the evergreen needles and that in there. It's a really good mix that I think I'll put in my next load of compost. That'll give me a lot of material for that, because this compost that I have now should be almost done. Thanks for sticking with me. I hope you enjoyed seeing the flower bed get cleaned up there. It's really nice to get these jobs done before I have too much other stuff going on out here in the yard. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.